As Carl Jung says, what you resist persists. And if you're resisting mobility, I bet your back is still hurting during your lifts. If squats and deadlifts feel tight, tension, or up straight pain, that's your body telling you something's wrong, something is off. Lifters often ignore this until the pain becomes unbearable. But most people ignore the warning signs, and that's why they stay stuck, or worse, they regress. But the good news, there's an easy fix. And in this video right here, I go through it step by step. Stop waiting for the pain to magically disappear. Click the link below and follow along. It's 3 drills and it'll really help you get out of that pain position with your lifts. Now, I want to know from you, put a flame below or a fireball below to let me know that you're going to add mobility going forward as your priority. I really look forward to hearing from you.